Many years ago, when my daughter was in 3rd or 4th grade, I think, we made a solar hot dog cooker, which you could use for cooking many other things. It can cook up to 5 hot dogs at a time and took about 5 minutes to cook them. We've cooked hundreds of hot dogs with it. I always meant to change it and put it as a roller kind of hot dog cooker instead of a skewered kind. But the skewers, we could use it for other things, so I'm probably going to do a little bit of experimenting. Today I'm going to just cook 2 hot dogs. It can put 5 of them at a time on. So skewer them on there and then put them on the cooker. Make sure you have your sunglasses on because this stuff is bright. So first, turn it into the sun. I'm going to walk it forward a little bit and tilt it down and adjust the angle. Going to bring it over to show my focusing or aiming system. So first of all, that's my turning system. I just slapped a few solar cells on that I had, wired it up to a motor, printed some gears for reduction, put a gear on the end of the skewer, and then that turns it. And then my focusing or aiming system is simply that piece of cardboard on top. I'll zoom in on that, with a hole in it, and when the light spot lines up with the circle on that cardboard, everything's focused right. I'm going to take those off of there and bring them inside. Just lift them up, and you got to be careful, that thing could be hot. And then point that away from the sun so it doesn't fry anything. Okay, and then slide those babies off of there. So you can get about 5 hot dogs in 5 or 6 minutes. And they're ready to go. And these are little baby ones, but they'll work. So, next time, I don't know, kebabs or something, or fish sticks on a skewer. Anyway, anything that could go on that little skewer, you could put through there. Nice and toasty.